not only Canada, but the all persons of the world should know that we can heal our body, we can heal our mind, and we can change our habit. We can do anything, whatever we want. Healing session does not mean only if we are sick, then we will join this session. If we are not knowing that we can do anything in this life, if we decide to live few thousand years sincerely, then you are able to live it. If you want to make a big change in the nation, new education system, then you need this practice. This practice is to heal our sick memory also. Our memory is sick. We are not remembering our potential. All the time we feel that we are weak, we are a human being, guided by stars, guided by fate. Nothing is in our hand, and one day we will die. This is the general concept of all adults, majority. Children are not having those concepts. Gautam Buddha, he saw sick person, dead body, old person. Then he was puzzled. Then he was concentrating on only this point. Why we are having this kind of suffering? Becoming old, mentally crippled, mentally sick, physically sick, then died. Then he discovered the truth. That truth is called ahimsa, non-violence. Same truth was experienced and practiced by Mahavir Swami. Same truth was practiced by great prophet Ram and Krishna. And later Jesus Christ practiced the same truth. Therefore always he explained that if you accept death, I will give you crown of life. Same truth was explained in the recent years, in the present time, by Lahiri Mahasaya. Therefore Lahiri Mahasaya is one great incarnation of the present ascending Dwapar, like Kabir. He was able to instantly dissolve his body into light and again reconvert immediately without any time. Same science was very well practiced by Jesus Christ and other prophets. What we are practicing, it will lead to the same. In the beginning, we will experience good health, good mind. We will have perfect love for all. Keep on practicing it more and more. Then you can delay your aging process. Practice more and more. You can stop aging process. Practice more and more. Then you will start rejuvenating your body. If you are 80, it will start rejuvenating. Then you will be 70, then 60, 50, like this. Keep on practicing it. Then you can experience how to change your body color, how to change your figure of body, you can change your face. The whole structure of body you can change. Then keep on practicing it. At the last you will realize how to make this body disappear. The moment you realize that truth, then when you walk on the earth, you will not have any footprint. If anybody will try photograph, camera will not get it. And that stage anybody can achieve. Lahiri Mahasaya demonstrated quickly because he did everything in the past. Therefore, in this life, it didn't take long time for him to reach that stage. Suppose that we started from zero. We don't know anything, just starting first day of spirituality. And this body is meant to give us realization whenever you start. If we are 80, 90 and starting now, practice faithfully, life span of body will increase. Until you learn that science, how to materialize and dematerialize. This is called learning non-violence, that there is no death. Moment you realize there is death, that is called violence. Great violence is called death. When you realize there is no death, that is the perfect understanding about ahimsa, non-violence. Anybody can do it, but we don't decide it. We are busy keeping busy our mind in talking about others, good or bad. All the time mind is busy, different taste of the food, thinking of the all varieties of the food, whatever we want, all kind of the sightseeing, all kind of the music, different kind of the so many other things. Remember, if you are in operation theatre and you are doing cardiac surgery or neurosurgery, you need very high concentration. In that time you cannot think who is Prime Minister or President. You cannot think that what kind of food is present in your kitchen or what you are going to eat. You cannot have any other thought except to operate patient successfully. In the same way, Gautam Buddha, Jesus Christ and so many other prophets, they have one-sided focus, undisturbed by anything. And that where you have to focus, not in a book, because we cannot understand book. Read, we cannot understand. Listen a lecture, we cannot understand. We understand little bit, not more. Then head to toes what you have. Concentrate on it and practice to love it more and more. Every day you will get something more. Keep on practicing it, one day time will come. You will have perfect love for this. When you will have perfect love for this, then you will know about it. Then you will know how to materialize and dematerialize, how to repair your heart, how to repair bone, how to do anything, whatever you want. Just only one thing, your head to toes, this body is all the time with you. It is the book of all scriptures, all verses, mantras, meditation technique, spirituality, all science, technology, everything came out of this. And each and every body is having the same glory. You cannot say that Jesus Christ body or Buddha body or Krishna body or Lahimase was different than us. Only one thing, in their body everything was glowing. In our body candle is off. We have to light the candle within this body. This is the main thing. Now in this healing session, you are going to heal your body and mind perfectly. You are going to demonstrate by concentrating on this body, practicing perfect love for all changes you feel. You heal your body and you get knowledge of everything